हेलो एंड वेलकम टू रील क्विकी, योर डेली डोज ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट। हम सब सलमान खान को लेके यहाँ पागल हो रखे एंड ही इज चिलिंग इन माद्रिद। At an event yesterday, he said, I will not take much time because nowadays, the less I speak, the better it is. We completely agree with you, Salman. Actually, I think more than us, your dad will agree with you. मतलब कब तक डैडी सॉरी बोलते रहेंगे? बचपन से लेके बुढ़ापे तक डैडी तो सॉरी बोल रहे हैं. So what do you think stars really do at IIFA? Wait, let me tell you what actually happens there. From rehearsals to interviews to press conferences, काम ही काम. Hello, but ये सब फोकट का नहीं कर रहे हैं. Buzz has it that Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra are charging 1.3 crores for just 4 minutes of their performance. Can you imagine? 4 minutes of the performance. अगर मुझे ऐसे कोई पैसे देना, मैं तो मौन व्रत ही रख लूँ. Maybe not. Sometimes I think people have too much time to talk shit about other people, especially when it's stars. For example, when Anushka Sharma got trolled once again, and this time for her reportedly on and off relationship with Virat Kohli. Remember, it's reported. So Anushka Sharma said in an interview, "It is one thing to be abused for a film I did or to be trolled if I did something wrong. But to be abused for something I had no association with, that was hurtful." I think it's misogynistic powerless men who have no other way to put you down, whose egos are hurt because you are a successful working woman with your own money and independence. Anushka, we completely support you on this. I think if these trolls continue, then you should get into that NH10 mode. Or actually the alpha avatar is much better. उठा के पटक देने का. According to reports, Leonardo DiCaprio will soon be responsible for beef ban in India. Actually throughout the world. Leonardo is vegan, so it makes sense for the RSS to have him on board for their beef ban movement throughout the world. God, I can't believe कि ऐसा दिन भी आएगा जहाँ पे मुझे लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो और बीफ स्टेक के बीच में चूज करना पड़ेगा.